What's the quickest way to size pipe? Rapid HVAC pipe sizing. Simple. Bang in your water flow. Select which of your pipe types you want to use. Select your temperatures. You got preset values. It'll tell you your diameter, velocity, pressure. Don't like those diameter units? Change them to inches. Don't like those input units? Change them to gallons per meter. Don't like those material types? Go to the settings. Got a wide range of materials you can pick from. Scroll up and down. The steel and PEX are in-app purchases upgrades, but all the coppers, select whichever one you want. Like over USM copper. We can change our selection criteria, pressures, velocities, change what those temperatures are. It automatically looks up values off the standard water property.